Use integration by parts to find the exact value of the integral of ln x over x squared from 1 to e, giving our answer in that form. So first thing, if I want to use integration by parts, I want to rewrite this so it is the product of two functions. So I'm going to rewrite this as ln x multiplied by the x to the power minus 2. So just instead of writing the x squared on the bottom, I'm writing it as an x to the power minus 2 on the top. This is going to allow me to use integration by parts. So I am going to let u be equal to ln x. We always have u as the logarithm if we have one. And we'll have v dash as being x to the power minus 2. We're going to differentiate the ln x. Ln x differentiates to be 1 over x. And we're going to integrate the v dash. So integrating x to the power minus 2, so I'm going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So dividing this by minus 1 makes it negative. Applying integration by parts now then. Remember the formula for integration by parts, which you do get given, is u v minus the integral of u dash times v. So, for me, this is going to be ln x multiplied by minus x to the power minus 1, that's my u v, minus the integral of u dash times v with respect to x. Now let's tidy this integral up a little bit so I can do the integration. So first thing, let me just tidy up this bit at the front. The x to the power minus 1 with the minus at the front. So I've got the minus at the front. The x to the power minus 1 is the same thing as me having a x on the denominator there. Then I'm going to take this minus here and take that outside of the integral, so it's going to turn this into a plus. This 1 over x is the same thing as x to the power minus 1, which when combined with the other x to the power minus 1 will actually make this become an x to the power minus 2. Which I can now integrate. So we will add 1 to the power, so the minus 2 becomes minus 1, and we'll divide by the new power, so this term will become a negative now rather than a positive. And that's my integration done. I need to substitute my limits in, so the upper limit is e, the lower limit is 1. So substituting the e in, I'll get minus ln e over e minus the x to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over x, so 1 over e. Now substituting the 1 in, minus ln 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1, which is just 1. Now ln e is just 1, so we get minus 1 over e minus 1 over e minus ln1 is just 0, so we don't have to worry about that. But we do have another minus 1 here, which when combined with the minus at the front will make that a plus. Now collecting these two terms here together, the minus 1 over e minus 1 over e is the same thing as minus 2 over e. And so this is my final answer. You can see that is in the form we were asked to show.